What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Fortnite on your Windows PC or laptop. To do that, you want to open up the Epic Games launcher on your PC. So as you can see, I have it here in my computer. So you want to open up Epic Games launcher, and you can always go ahead and search for Epic Games launcher on Google and download and install it. You want to ensure that you have an account, and if you have a Google account you can easily register with your Google account as well. Now, once you're in the Epic Games launcher, you want to go ahead and click on the store on the upper left hand side, and you want to simply use a search on the upper left to type in Fortnite. And you will see some results. You want to keep on the base game. So click on the option that says base game. And from here, you just want to scroll down a bit on the right side, and you will see the option that says get. And you can see that it's free. So click on get. It's going to take you over to the order page, and you can see it's absolutely free. So you want to check this box right here that says click here to agree and share email, and just click on place your order. Then click on accept. As you can see, it's processing right there. And here you can see it says thank you for your order. Now you want to view in your library. So you click on that. And once we're at this page, just simply click where it says install. You receive this pop-up so you can choose where you want to specify the location. I'm going to leave it as is and click on install. Then from here, just click this checkbox right here to accept. Then click on yes on your PC once you receive it, and you will see that it will now install Fortnite. This will take some time, so you just want to be patient, guys. As you can see, it's currently installing. And once it is finished installing, you'll be able to just go to your library, click on the Fortnite right here, and it's going to open up, and you'll be able to play Fortnite on your PC. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can always go ahead and minimize it and allow it to install on your computer. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. That's how you'll be able to download and install Fortnite on your Windows PC or laptop.